Hey guys, it's me. It's been a long day, of fucking around. Um, and the really awful thing, which is actually pretty awesome about my new job, not really new, I've been working here for a few years, but the really awful thing is that a lot of the work that I'm doing now that I get kicked to is actually too fiddly to film. I may try to come up with some sort of like glasses cam or something. For instance, today we had a guy who had his battery connection on his Axis derailleur stop working. And, oh, I got grease on my lens. And, yeah. See those fucking pogo pins there? You see these beautiful, brand new, sparkling pogo pins? I fucking did that. I desoldered the old one, and I resoldered everything else, and this shit works really good now. But how in the hell am I supposed to film that? You know what I mean? I'm using both my hands and my mouth to hold solder. I should just get a better soldering rig, honestly. What else happened today? Repaired a TQ e-bike motor. Bought a new snap-on inflator, which is really nice and accurate. I'm using the, what did they call it? Silka or whatever bell. And, pro tip, if you get an automotive inflator, make sure it has one of these little thumb latches. You can put it in, put your Presta bell in, and then you have a really nice convertible Presta setup. Yeah, boys, it's always so fucking nuts here. I'm gonna try to film more, but, for God's sake, most of my shit's e-bike now, troubleshooting hydraulic systems, all kinds of insane bullshit, and it's a lot to film. I'm not trying to complain. It's actually my Friday. I'm feeling super duper good. I don't know if you know Millhouse, but I deadlifted that motherfucker like 10 times yesterday. He's like 140 pounds. No, I didn't deadlift him. I like deep squatted his little Chinese ass. But yeah, I love you all. Gonna keep going. Pussyclaat badmann.